एजुकेशन इज द मोस्ट पावरफुल वेपन विच यू कैन यूज इट टू चेंज द वर्ल्ड। जी हाँ, अब आपके बच्चों के एजुकेशन को और भी बेहतर बनाने के लिए आपके शहर में स्मार्ट टेक इंग्लिश मीडियम पब्लिक स्कूल ओपन हो चुका है, जहाँ पे आपके बच्चों को एकेडमिक सब्जेक्ट जैसे कि इंग्लिश, मैथमेटिक्स, साइंस, ज्योग्राफी, कंप्यूटर्स के अलावा रीजनल लैंग्वेज भी पढ़ाए जाएंगे। स्मार्ट टेक स्कूल ने आपके बच्चों के फ्यूचर को नजर में रखते हुए हाईली क्वालिफाइड स्टाफ रखा है, इको फ्रेंडली इन्वायरमेंट स्कूल कैंपस है, स्पेशियस एंड वेल वेंटिलेटेड क्लासरूम है, सिक्योरिटी कैमरास है, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सर्विस है एंड मेनी मोर टू मेक बेटर एजुकेशन फॉर योर चिल्ड्रन। स्मार्ट टेक में 2022 के लिए एडमिशन शुरू हो चुके हैं, जो कि प्री केजी से 5th स्टैंडर्ड तक रहेंगे। स्मार्ट टेक इंग्लिश मीडियम पब्लिक स्कूल का एड्रेस है इतिहाद चौक, हागरगा रोड, गुलबर्गा। स्मार्ट टेक स्कूल से रिलेटेड जानकारी के लिए आप कॉल भी कर सकते हैं 9886206876, 9686769784।
औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल इल्मु युता वला याती, knowledge does not come, you have to go to it। अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू। First of all, thanks to Allah Almighty and thanks to my colleagues for giving me this opportunity to introduce our new Smart Tech Public School English Medium. Smart Tech Public School is to empower all students to apply their acquired skills, knowledge and rely upon their personal attributes to lead productive life and become contributing members to global community. Inshallah, our mission is to provide high quality, comprehensive and meaningful education for all students.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Sifatullah Naveed and I am one of the partners in this school. The purpose of making this video is to introduce and inform you about our new school, that is Smart Tech Public School. I am pleased to inform you that our admission has been started for this current academic year 2022 and 23. This school is located on Hagarga Road. It is just beside Madani Matam restaurant and is too near from Etihad Chowk, Malgatti Cross. Some of the major features of school are: we have well qualified, well experienced and dedicated teaching staff. We have big and spacious and colorful classrooms. We have big open areas for kids to play, and for safety and security of the kids, we have the whole building premises is covered by CCTV surveillance cameras. For more information, I would like to request all the parents and guardians who are planning to enroll their children in school to please visit our school or contact us on the below given numbers. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brother and sister, this is your brother Zamirul Hassan from Smart Tech English Medium School. Me being the president and the co-founder, I always had a vision to build a school to develop our community, our infrastructure, our spirituality. Thanks to Allah Almighty has given me a chance to help entire community. और मैं चाहता हूँ आप अपने बच्चों के मुस्तकबिल के लिए एक बार हमारे स्कूल को विज़िट करें और हमारे स्कूल की फैसिलिटी को एक बार जांचें। इससे आपको पता चलेगा कि हमारे स्कूल में क्या क्या फैसिलिटी है। हमारे स्कूल का एड्रेस है हागरगा रोड, मालगत्ती क्रॉस, इत्तेहाद चौक। ज़्यादा जानकारी के लिए दिए गए नंबर पर आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, वहाँ से आपको पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रब्बी सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतन मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। Myself Sayyid Attar Iqbal, Principal, Smart Tech Public School English Medium. I get immense pleasure to inform you that school admissions for the grade pre-KG to 5th standard has been started for the academic year 2022 to 2023. The main aim to establish this school is to have high quality education to our society. Alhamdulillah, to gain this aim, we have keenly worked on each and every aspect to give you the best service. We have eco-friendly environment, school campus, spacious and well-ventilated classrooms with ergonomic designs of furnitures for the students' comfort, clean hygienic toilets, purified drinking water facility, dedicated school ground, designated activity area and computer classrooms. Students, when come to school campus, it is our responsibility to have their safety and security, and to ensure that we have installed numerous CCTV surveillance camera all over the school building to monitor them. And regarding study material and syllabus, our education policy is to have moral values to build students' character and to have an activity-based learning while following CBSE syllabus with e-book, animations, interactive learning. To fulfill and to maintain this quality, we have hired high quality, experienced and well-trained in multi-style techniques staff. About transportation, inshallah, we will be providing you school bus facility till your doorsteps. All these facilities you can avail at our school at an affordable fee structure. For more information, please visit our school campus, which is at easy accessible location near Ittihad Chowk, Hagarga Road, Kalaburgi. There will be a limited seat intake in each classes, so please hurry up to enroll your kid registration. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, I am the faculty of Smart Tech Public School. Today I am going to give you a small introduction of our school. We are the unique one which have started in this background, in this colony, something new that we want to give to our community. So let's come with the books which we are providing. First of all, we are actually following the CBSE syllabus, and from CBSE we are actually following the Oxford Advantage books. These are the volume 2 books. We will be having 6 volume in this. 6 theme books. Here we are going to in this theme books we are covering everything from maths to EVS, from the manners book, like for the students, about food, about manners and everything. So in this school we are not only focusing on the studies, but as you can see, the student can actually learn from the background. We have a smart classes, not only in this e-classes what we are saying. As you can see, we have covered in our class background everything. So student can not only learn from the teacher, he can learn from his background of this class. So we are covering here whether it's come to the EVS subject or maths or about India or about animals, everything we are covering here. And one more thing, we are not only focusing on the English subject or the English background, we are focusing on our Islamic things which we have here. As you can go with it, we have actually written all the months, because our We are covering everything from Arabic to Islamiyat to Diniyat. So we are promising you that we will give our best to all the students who are coming here, and we have promised to the parents that they will find the school very convenient regarding the fees, regarding the studies and regarding the faculty.
We are providing very highly quality, comparative and best education for all the students. And about our faculty, we all teachers have an effective teaching efforts to put their efforts to teach your child in a very proper manner so they can grab up as soon as possible. And Alhamdulillah, everyone are very qualified teachers in our staff, and inshallah, we all faculty will put our efforts to meet the expectations of parents. That is very important, that every parent have a demand. I want child in a very good environment, like I want my child to survive in a very fresh and very pure and hygienic environment where I have found in here. So I have myself decided to be a mother. I want my child in such beautiful environment over here. So inshallah, we won't say, we promise to give all the students the best and best education.